What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Pills in the Reefer by WRLD. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll uppercut your punk ass into a bowl of holiday punch. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and you will need to capo up to the 2nd fret. If you need a capo, there's a link to a free one in the video description, as well as a link to the guitar tab you can download to follow along with the song. If you need either of those, jump into the video description once you get done. They're there for you. We're going to start with our middle finger on the 3rd fret of the low E, and our index finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and your pinky finger is going to go on the 4th fret of the D string. And we're going to pick E, A, G, D, and then we're gonna put. Then you're gonna want to put your index finger on kind of barring the A and the D string, because next you're gonna pick E, A, D, and then take your pinky finger off to the 2nd fret of the D string. So and then pick the same way, but take your index finger off to where the D string is open. So that sounds a little confusing, but I'll show you what it looks like from the top. So essentially that's going. So again. And then from there you're picking E, A, 3 on A, back to 2 on A. And that's essentially the first half of the riff. All together slowly, it looks like. Then from there, take everything off and just pick open E, A, D, A. Go to 2 on E and pick the same thing. E, A, D, A. And then back to that same 3 on E, 2 on A, and pick the same thing twice. E, A, D, A, E, A, D, A. And then that just repeats. So all together slowly, it looks like. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.